As Gen Z and those born after 2000 gradually enter into marriage, the styles of weddings among young people have grown increasingly diverse in recent years. In contrast to the traditional grand and ceremonious weddings with intricate rituals, many young couples now gravitate toward cost-effective, experiential, and simplified weddings. And some would integrate innovative and unique ideas into their wedding ceremonies, prioritizing meaningful elements over extravagant ones.
第一方面呢，就是个性化展示的内容更多样化。很多新人，当天再来办理结婚登记的当天呢，都会精心打扮，会带到各种的道具啊，然后身着很漂亮的那个婚服，传统的婚服和礼服。在程序上的仪式感会更强。新人在办理结婚登记的过程中啊，实际上是以两个人的专属浪漫，所以这个当天的情绪呢是独有的，也许就是终身难忘的。很多新人呢也会邀请双方的父母呀，或者比较更好的朋友来见证这个美好的时光，然后记录这个美好的瞬间。第三方面呢，就是他们的情感表达更丰富。就是很多新人会选择到我们公园式婚姻登记构来办理婚姻登记。在我们有温度、有氛围、有情感的公共空间，他们的仪式感会表达的会更强烈、更温馨。